Day 19 of solo travel in Southeast Asia. I'm in Luang Prabang, Laos. And I'm at a waterfall, going for a swim.
Where's he gone? I don't know. He's right there. So the driver's just ran over a snake. Now look what he's doing. So Ben, how's the bus ride here?
I thought it was quite horrible. I felt a little bit ill, a little bit sick. But that was because of the silly night out we had last night, wasn't it? So probably added to it.
And Hamish had a little sleep.
I did.
Didn't you?
It was great.
Into the snake
Yeah, he's always had to wake up always.
So I thought we were going to go to some waterfalls, but we're now just stood in front of some bears. Pretty random, pretty spontaneous, but quite cool. So, good morning. Well, afternoon. I should just start saying good afternoon in these vlogs, because anytime I start it, it's midday. But yeah, look at the scenes. We're at some waterfalls today, seen some bears, seen some snakes. Yeah, gonna be a good day. Here we have it, the main event. Pretty unreal. I would love to swim in that right now. Have we just discovered that the waterfall's fake? Pipes leading up to the very top. Like £2 to get in here to see a water feature. Now we've got to climb all these stairs to the top. Not sketchy at all. I'm shitting myself. Ah! Fucking hell! Oh! Check this out. Unreal, it's freezing though, like numbing cold.
Right, now we've got to do one.
Right, back in the snake, man. Ratings on the waterfall out of 10?
I'm gonna say a solid 8 or 9.
An 8 or 9.
I was also going to say, I go 8.
An 8. I go 7.8. So we're back at the hostel now. Waterfalls was good. It was a bit meh until we started swimming. The swimming was really fun. Yeah, cold though, very cold. And then the van back was just long. Yeah, sat by the pool now just chilling. Tonight, probably night market and just a few beers. I don't think there's much else to do here now. Backbeat, the word is on the street that the fire in your heart is out. Right, we're on the move. We're on the move to the night market.
We're on the move.
Grab some.
Do you know any Stone Roses?
Look at this truck. The Liverpool truck. Fucking Max. Yeah, so we're at the night market now, we're getting some food. We ate, but no one's really feeding it tonight. The night market in Laos isn't all that. The food, there's not a lot of options. It's all just a bit mid and kind of overpriced, if I'm honest. But yeah, we're not feeling drinks tonight. Just everyone's just in a bit of a chilled, relaxed, kind of non-verbal kind of mood. I'm just walking down the little clothes market, not food market, the other one, the night market. Just while they finished their dinner, just because I wanted to see if there's anything decent.